Hi, this is Dirk. We're going to start up our Chevy K10. It does run, doesn't run very good. Emergency brake doesn't work. But here it does run. 4-speed. I don't know if anything works, we'll see. No, well, the right blinker works. Of course, got a different steering wheel, so horn's not going to work. I can't get the wipers to turn on. So, 100% project truck. That's some lifter noise, non-drop. Probably a buildable block. I don't know if it's a 305 or a 350. I'm gonna do the running and driving video together. That's all I'm gonna do is drive around the block. See, reverse works. Timing's off or cam's out of it. But will trailer load. So, probably the cheapest Chevy 4-wheel drive short box you'll find, but a very big project. 605-695-7391.